Hi guys, today we've got 3 really easy messy low hairstyles. So for the first hairstyle, divide off the hair from the end of the eyebrows and then tie this together at the back with a clear elastic band. Make a hole behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then pass that little ponytail to your fingers and pull it through so you've created a twist. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description for you. And then gently pinch and pull at the crown and at both of those twists. Take a small slice of hair from the right hand side of the head and I'm going to do a 3-strand braid. Every so often I'm going to stop braiding and pinch and pull at the edges of those loops of the braids to make them nice and voluminous. And then just carry on braiding until you reach the end of the hair and tie it off in a clear elastic band. And on the opposite side I'm going to take another small slice of hair and do a fishtail braid. So I'm going to divide this section in half and then I'm going to take a small slice of hair from the left hand side, pass it over the top and join it into that right hand section. And then I'm going to take a small slice from the right hand section, cross it over the top and join it into the left hand section. And I'm just going to carry on taking small slices of hair, braiding all the way down, and then again stopping every so often to pinch and pull at the hair to make this fishtail braid nice and messy. And then just finish this off with a clear elastic band. Now take that fishtail braid and bring it over to the opposite side of the head and just use a bobby pin or two to secure it. Then take the 3-strand braid, bring it over underneath the fishtail and to the left hand side and secure it with a bobby pin. Put the remaining hair into a low ponytail and we're going to do a rope braid, so split it in half, twist both sections to the left hand side and then cross the left section over the right section. Carry on braiding all the way to the bottom and then we're just going to apply some texture spray and really pinch and pull this rope braid apart. Now taking hold of that braid we're just going to roll it towards the head until you meet the nape of the neck. Hold in place and then just use as many bobby pins all round the outside of that little bun to keep it secure. And that's the first look complete. Okay, moving on to style number 2. First of all, we're going to split the hair off from the ear forwards on both sides. Bring this around to the back of the head and secure it with a clear elastic band. Pop your fingers behind that elastic band and pull the ends through. Next, we're going to take a big chunk of hair on the left hand side and we're going to pop our fingers behind that twist and pull the hair through so it wraps around that section. And then if needed, secure to the head with a bobby pin. Now with the remaining hair, we're just going to divide this in half and do a rope braid. So split that section in 2, twist both sections to the left, but then cross the left strand over the right hand strand. And carry on doing this all the way until the end. Secure this off with a clear elastic band, making sure that on the last turn you don't pull the ends all the way through. Apply some texture spray over the entire head of hair and down that braid. And then all we're going to do is take the end of that braid, tuck it under, and then bring it over to the left hand side and just pin it underneath that twist. Use as many bobby pins as needed. Then use your fingers and a bit of hairspray to gently pinch and pull at all the loops and twists of this hairstyle. And it really is that simple. Here's the second look complete. Okay, moving on to the third and last hairstyle. We're going to section off the front of the hair from the ears forward and clip this out of the way for later, and do this on both sides. Split the remaining hair in half, and working on that right hand side first, we're going to use a clear elastic band to tie it into a low ponytail. However, on the last turn of that band, don't pull the ends all the way through, just pull them part way through so you're creating a little loop. Now repeat this on the left hand side. So now you should have two loops with the ends sticking out, and we're going to pop our fingers through the whole of the loop on the right hand side, and then we're going to pass all of the hair on the left to those fingers and pull it all the way through that loop on the right hand side. Hold these close to the nape of the neck, and then all we're going to do is pin the top of those loops with a couple of bobby pins. And just by pinning the top, the bottom bit should fan out nicely to make a nice chignon. Release those side sections down, and we're going to pop some texture spray all over the hair and pinch and pull at the crown for a bit of texture. So taking the hair on the right hand side, we're going to loosely twist it towards the head, drape it over the top of that chignon and pin it to the head using a couple of bobby pins, and then gently pinch and pull at that twist to create a bit of volume. And then we're going to repeat on the left hand side, so twist it towards the head, bring it over to the right, but this time we're going to make a small hole in that first twist, and then just pass the ends through that hole and pin it to the head. Again, pinch and pull at the twist for some texture. Now just take some straighteners and gently bend the ends of those twists. Next I'm going to take a small topsy tail tool, again I'll link it in the description, and just taking those little tail ends, I'm going to take them through that chignon in various places. And here's the last look. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favourite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.